right. And if they've taken up a subscription with Xero, then they're probably looking at other software, and so potentially CRM is something that they'd be interested in. Just another example of this integration marketing. Google Apps have recently launched a marketplace for applications that plug in to Google Apps. So we were fortunate to be invited as one of the first 50 application providers to integrate with Google Apps. And it's great. It's a little bit different in that we have to pay Google 20% of any revenue. So it's more than just a two-way integration thing. They're actually taking something out of this as well. But it works the same way. It gets captured in front of Google Apps customers. They've got 25 million users. If we could just get a small chunk of those, we'd be very happy. The other really neat thing about this approach is that there's an opportunity for other users to provide reviews of it, right? And so this sort of approach comes with a recommendation or a review from other users of the system. If you go back to the Google AdWords search, if we come up here, we've got Salesforce as an example. I didn't particularly mean that, but if we come up in this list, there's nothing that tells the web user why our system's any better than another one. It's just a list of options, and there's probably going to be 100 different options. In the context of the Google Marketplace, we've got 10 reviews from users who actually use the system. So it provides more of a recommendation behind the listing. Just to demonstrate that it is working, I just pulled off some quick stats from Alexa.com. Thank you. From Alexa.com, which just shows where our visitors are coming from. We can't accurately track how many customers we gain through the likes of Xero or the other integration partners, but this gives you an idea of where they're coming from. So you can see that all of these sites that our users have been on before they hit Capsule are the sort of sites that we're integrating with. So you've got FreshBooks, which is an integration partner. We've got Xero, which is an integration partner. We've got FreeAgent, which is an integration partner, and MailChimp. They're all applications that we integrate with. And so, clearly this approach is working. Clearly, most of our customers are coming from those sources. So where to find other vendors that are supporting this idea of integrating on the web? There's actually a community on the web already called the Small Business Web. And basically what they're doing is providing a directory of the various web applications that buy into the idea that web applications add value through being integrated. So you'll find a whole stack of applications in there that are all hooked up together. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.